Now I see what Jordan Brand was doing. When they came out with the Rebellionaires, we thought, oh, it's a play on the Shadows. A couple months later, what we get? The Visionaires. Shout out to Jordan Brand, man. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't subscribed, well, I'm talking to my people that subscribe. Thanks for rocking with your boy, man. You already know what we do here at this channel. Nothing but fire. But today, we're here to talk about the Jordan 1 Visionaire. And me personally, I believe they could have just called it like the Vote, Jordan 1 Vote. I think they did that already, actually. But yeah, man, as y'all know, my Jeep Wrangler is lime green, so any sneaker that really come out in this tennis ball colorway, I give it a try. The only ones that still lasted in my collection are the Grinches, respectfully. You know how big of a Kobe Bryant fan I am. The Grinches, they have to. And I think I still got the Air Max 95 in that green colorway somewhere around here. But these for sure I know. Also the Mummies, you could count these, but it's not really. So yeah, these are called the Jordan 1 Visionaire. And the visibility on the sneaker is out of control. I don't know if that's what they were going for. I thought with the Rebellionaires they were talking about rebels. That's why we got like the graffiti look on the box and the tissue paper. But that hasn't been fact-checked neither. But far as the sneaker, besides the brightness, man, the cracked leather, the old school hits, making it look vintage already, I kind of like it, man. Prices say otherwise, and they haven't dropped on the sneakers app yet, so I think that's the reason. But I don't know, man. It's a clean shoe to me. Let's get into the review. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So like I told y'all, the same Rebellionaire box, but the lime green hits on this box and the box being white is super dope to me, man. It just looks like the US Open, like a big tennis ball. But dope, man. I don't expect this box to not get dirty. It's a white box. But yeah, lime green hits at the top, on the sides. They go your sizing. And it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Volt Black Cell. When you take the top off, they go your swoosh. You know, anything of that nature. Like I told y'all, just like the Rebellionaires, the tissue paper is the same also. Y'all can see that. It looks more clearer, like it's clear, not white. And the words are white. And let's start with the right shoe. Give you guys a 360 view. 4K. So one thing I could say is I love the color blocking. I love the sandwich white in the inside of all this lime green tennis ball look. So I love the white. It kind of brightens the sneaker more, but it also gives it like, I don't know, a little more character. So I want y'all to see the cracked leather. Look at the cracked leather. Right? It looks like the sneaker was just white and someone nail polished it with green. So I can see it. It's crazy, man. And that's all through the sneaker, all the way up. The leather looks cracked. Your toe box, like I said, simple white, has some bounce back to it. The swoosh is black, and it has the inside white, black leather on white leather. Not too much tumbleness in here, you know, shattered backboard people. And then you see more of that cracked green leather all the way to the back. It came with a hang tag here, but the hang tag is, it says Nike, and then has some Japanese writing. But the other side says, please note, natural crack seen on the upper is normal due to the random crackle ink application. So like I told y'all, they wanted to give it a vintage look. Let me get this to focus, guys. They wanted to give this a vintage look, so that's why you see the crack on the black upper right there. I mean, I don't think nobody would have pulled this out the box and thought their sneakers was messed up in the first place, but shout out to Nike for letting us know. You know, your Jordan 1 logo is in that black colorway, and it looks so dope on that cracked lime green. So dope, man. I'm happy they went with black here. I mean, I could have seen them go with like silver, something reflective, but that black is mean right there. My highlight of the sneaker will have to be this lime green on the white tongue. So it says Nike Air in the lime green. Well, the tab is lime green, but it says it in white. That's my highlight of the sneaker. I love that part. Bottom of the sneaker is all black. You've seen one Jordan 1. You've seen one Nike SB Dunk. You've seen one Air Force 1. You're going to get this bottom. And of course, your insoles are lime green. I couldn't really see them do no other color. That's just fitted with a black Nike Air logo. I want y'all to look real close at the shoelaces as they look to have like dust on them. But that's just the design of the shoelaces. As you can see, has like gray hits or maybe white. But it's made to look like dust, I believe, man. It's crazy. And speaking of shoelaces, this is the left the shoe right here. This comes with white. I mean, I don't see how they couldn't give us the color of the sneaker and the lace. But I mean, the white, that's just lazy to me, man. Like, no one really likes a white shoelace, man. And I don't know, man. But it comes equipped with white shoelaces, and the inside is the black. And as I showed y'all how the black shoelaces has little hits of gray or dust, trying to give it that vintage look also. In the comment section below, guys, let me know y'all honest opinion on this sneaker. Me, I mean, like I told you, I like every sneaker that's kind of like tennis ball colorway. I try them all. But this sneaker here, it has some highs to me. The cracked leather is super dope. I think they took it too far with the shoelaces, but it's new, man, and it's, you know, sometimes things just have to grow on you. You know, just like a Yeezy. Sometimes that the sneaker has to grow on you. Far as pricing, they're on Gold and StockX right now for right around retail, and I think the reason that's happening is because it didn't drop on the sneakers app yet. People always wait to see if sneakers is going to give it a go, and then they try their luck there, and then they hit the resale market. I got these from Hibbett Sports, and that's a hard website to hit on. But like I told you, these sneakers are not in that much demand yet. So Golden StockX has them for like $175 right now. I believe sneakers going to drop them. It's very rare that Jordan 1 doesn't drop on the sneaker app. Even the best of the collabs have to drop on the sneaker app. So I think that's what people are waiting for. I do see this sneaker creeping up to maybe the $215 price tag, barring it doesn't restock a lot like the Brotherhoods. I'm keeping my pair, man. That yellow and purple, like I told you, I'm a Kobe fan. I'm going to keep my pair. But the Brotherhoods are restocking every 2 days. Barring that this doesn't do that, I see it around 200, 220. But let me know your opinion on this sneaker, guys, man. I might do a how to style on these because I usually try to do the how to style on sneakers that's like, you know, kind of hard to get a match to. So we'll try our luck with that. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.